Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is MapReduce scheduling for deadline constrained jobs in heterogeneous cloud computing system. Our project abstract. MapReduce is based on the job scheduling on user given deadline. It will be worked to map the task and schedule the task in the Reduce. The bipartite graph modeling to propose a new MapReduce scheduler called as the PGMRS. The PGMRS can update the optimal solution of the deadline constraint scheduling problem minimum weighted bipartite matching. It considers a heterogeneous cloud computing environment such that the computing resources of some nodes cannot meet the deadlines of some jobs. In addition to meeting the deadline requirement, the PGMRS also takes the data locality into the computing resource allocation for shortening the data access time of the job. The total available computing resources of the system cannot satisfy the deadline requirements of all jobs. The PGMRS can minimize the number of jobs with the deadline violations. The PGMRS is used to do the deadline-based schedule job using the MapReduce. And MapReduce is receive the task and reduce is used to schedule task for the given slots of the user given deadlines. Our project flow diagram. In this project, we are developing a PGMRS based map and reduce the task based on the deadline based scheduling. First, the cloud user. The cloud user is registered into the cloud storage and log into the cloud server. The registration will be data stored into the cloud server, and next send the job to the server. The job will be the user files they uploaded into the server, and next the job by deadlines. Send the job by deadline is based on the user given deadline. The given deadline is based on the time. The time period will be given for the specific job and data uploaded into the data server. Mapping the task. Mapping the task is receive the task and allocate the slots based on the deadlines. The slots will be the what are the file will be assigned to the priority based on the deadlines. The deadlines will be the priority of the jobs. Deadline based process of the task is using that reduce the task process. The reduce the task process is nothing but display the what are the tasks will be running, what are the tasks will be waiting on the process. The slots will be running at the same time. The receive the task on the baseline. The deadlines is based on receive task for the server storage, and server storage map and reduce the task and stored all the jobs for the user given. The server storage is nothing but store all the detail of the user and store all the users files on the storage device. Let's see the demo of our project. First run the home file. The project demo will be started. Okay, this is our user registration. I am going to the new user. Okay, enter the username, password, my mobile number, and the mail ID. Enter the 10 values for the mobile. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, register. It's a valid mail and register successfully. This is our user login and enter the username and password. The login process successfully. These are user given limits job uploading. These are the two jobs we are going to upload and choose a file. First we are going to screen.txt document file and check the file. Okay, this file will be okay. What are the given deadline? We are going to give of 6. Next we run the map the task. Okay, this is our mapping task. Now to receive the task, the file will be sent. The file will be received here. What are the number of tasks and what are the file and what are the deadlines. Okay, next we are going to the second file. Is sensor1.txt and check file. Okay, send to the scheduler. Okay, receive the task, load to schedule, and next you are going to give on okay 3 and receive the task. The file will be sent and file will be received here. Okay, these are the sensor.txt. Suppose you want to upload the file, what the next file means, check the files. Okay, you are sending the out of the task. Okay, we are choosing only the two tasks only. Okay, this next mapping the task. Next we are going to receive task. These are the received tasks, screen on task and sensor.txt. Schedule task will be the what are the given deadline. Deadline will be deadline based scheduling the task. And next this reduce process without fail. Okay, we are going to know refresh the task. These are the running job. These are the waiting job based on the our user given upload a file. And next this is our running job and store into cloud. Okay, next you are running the cloud storage. Okay, this is our cloud storage. See the task, the file will be sent, the file will be received here. Okay, store the data will be stored successfully and view details. These are the jobs will be running. Finishing time for the this is a finishing time. Next we are going to refresh the file. Okay, this is our running job. These are no waiting jobs will be here. Okay, next we are going to screen the txt and store it to the cloud. Next we are into the same cloud. Yes, we are upload the file for the second task of the process. That's why we are running the second time. Okay, receive the task, the file will be sent and the file will be received here. Store data stored successfully and view details. This is the sub process will be completed. Our project demo is completed. Thank